In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively crop a photo in Google Slides using a template presentation. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're sprucing up a presentation for work or school, or just playing around with design elements for personal projects. Let's get started by logging into your Google Slides account. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with the option to either start a new blank presentation or choose from a variety of templates. For this tutorial, we'll use a template presentation. Templates are a great tool because they provide a polished and professional look without much effort on your part. Once you've selected a template, take a moment to explore the layout and see where you'd like to place your images. Now let's move on to cropping an image within your slide. Start by finding the photo you want to crop. Double-click on it to select it. You'll notice that a black border appears around the image. This border acts as your cropping tool. By adjusting the black border, you can change the size and shape of the image on your slide. Imagine this border as a frame around your photo, except you have the freedom to redefine the frame size. Dragging any of the corners or sides of this border lets you zoom in on a specific part of the picture or cut out sections that you don't need. If you want to focus in on a particular detail or remove any unnecessary background, just adjust the border accordingly. Keep in mind that as you make the border smaller, the parts of the image outside the border will be cropped out, leaving you with a cleaner, more focused result. Remember, cropping is not just about cutting out parts of a picture. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance the composition of your slide, directing attention exactly where you want it. If you change your mind, don't worry. Google Slides is quite forgiving. You can always click the undo button to revert your changes or readjust the crop by double-clicking again and pulling the borders back out. After you've adjusted the image to your liking, click outside the image frame to set the crop. Take a step back and admire your work, and feel free to reposition the image to ensure it fits perfectly within your slide design. Experiment with different placements to see what looks best. Cropping is a valuable tool in your Google Slides toolkit, and with a bit of practice, it'll become second nature to creating compelling presentations. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your Google Slides experience.